So no matter what anybody says, my 73-year-old mother is about to go up on the roof. Hi, sweetie.
So I can step on the slide.
Yeah. So this is our next door neighbor, John, who we love.
Hi.
I don't know where we would be without him, to be very honest.
All right, I need to take one volunteer. How's your bag?
Yeah, I'll come.
All right, we're good. We're out. We're out.
Going crazy at the fact that we haven't been plowed out yet, and I was flipping out because we need to be plowed out. I needed soda. This is my first blizzard that I've ever been in the snow.
Yeah, she's never been in a blizzard.
I know, like, I'm so sore from snowing.
From shoveling.
Shoveling. Yeah. I couldn't get out of bed this morning. This whole side hurt so bad. I was grabbing him. And
I totally relate.
I'm sure she relates.
I couldn't move.
Yeah,
I could not move yesterday.
I told your brother John, I'm like, she did all that. I'm like, that's a lot of snow, John.
Yeah.
So I did all of Tom's porch. It took me 4 hours. I did all of Tom's porch so that way he wouldn't have to do it. Like, I was shoveling.
November downtown. We're plowed out. Town Farm's plowed out. We're just not plowed out. It took me an hour to walk up that hill. One way. And I came back because I forgot the shovel and I didn't realize you were plowed out, so I went back up.
Because it's like 2.5 feet that you have to sludge your body through. We have an extremely long driveway. It's basically a road. They're afraid that the roof is going to collapse because when it rains, it gets much heavier and then it freezes and it turns to ice.
Yeah.
Thank you, John.
My pleasure.